name is Paul with another tech tip, and today we are discussing the importance of pre-cleaning the inner liner in preparation for repair.
Tire manufacturers use silicone mold lubricants to prevent the tire from sticking during the manufacturing process. These lubricants remain on the tire after the manufacturing process and must be removed to ensure proper bonding of the repair. After ensuring the tire is repairable, spray Tech Rub-O-Matic onto the surface. While the Rub-O-Matic is still wet, use a Tech scraper to remove the lubricants. Tech recommends a minimum of 2 passes to ensure complete removal of any surface lubricants. Some tires may require additional passes. In addition to decreasing adhesion, the mold lubricants also contaminate your buffing wheel. These lubricants become embedded in the wheel, decreasing the grit and life of the tool.
To increase the adhesion of the repair as well as extend the life of your tool, do it right the first time by properly pre-cleaning the inner liner before buffing.